At first glance I look like any other normal cyclist, but this bike has a secret. The police will never know that this bike does 50 miles an hour without even pedalling. This thing is ludicrous, absolutely ludicrous. If the police did decide to stop you at the side of the road and run their standard test, this is full throttle, a whopping 4 miles an hour. Fast, isn't it? But this bike holds a secret that the police don't know. There's a button on the handlebars that you only need to press for 3 seconds and it completely transforms the bike into this. An absolute rocket ship of an e-bike. So I built this thing because I wanted to know what would it be like to stick a fast electric kit on an already fast road bike, because these things are nothing like mountain bike. These things are fast without electric on, and most people can pedal these things way above 30 mile an hour and the e-bike speed limit. So what would it be like if you combine both together with a stealth smart controller that can lock and unlock the throttle mode in just 3 seconds on the fly? Although this bike is electric, at first glance I think that's what counts. If police are out there looking for e-bikes, the first thing they're going to notice is things like surons, people in sportswear, balaclavas, that kind of thing is what immediately makes the police gravitate towards it. And I think if you're riding past on a bike of this style, dressed in more casual clothing, you're not going to catch the attention of the police quite so much. So I think there's a really big problem in the UK with not only the e-bike law that a lot of people aren't happy with, but also the flip side of that. You have got drug dealers and some phone thieves in major cities going around on motorbike style surons, dressed in balaclavas. Nothing that hasn't happened in the past, but just on mopeds. And e-bikes have got a really bad reputation of just being drug dealers and phone thieves, and it's not the case. There's plenty of people doing normal jobs, delivery drivers, people just getting out that have got mobility issues. There's a lot of counter arguments for e-bike, and I think it's tarred with the wrong kind of brush far too often. Let's take this ill sleeper build for a quick ride and I'll tell you all about it. Luckily, today's sponsor is Outdoor Masters, who have sent me their latest and greatest outdoor adventure and sports sunglasses. Let's take a quick look. So these come with 3 different various shades of Coles Ice lenses, separate nose piece. If you want to run them half frame or full frame, you can pull the bottom half of this off simply by detaching it like so, and then clicking in the nose piece for 2 types of use and look. Just a really nice premium sports and adventure sunglasses for all manner of activities and just general outdoor use to protect your eyes from UV, wind, elements. Absolutely lovely set of sunglasses. Let's go check these out in today's video, guys. I'll put the link in the video description. Now back onto the ride. Let's go. Right guys, we are out on this little complete and utter rocket ship. It is so quick. I knew it would be mad making a fast e-bike on a road bike with 700c wheels. Tucking in for aerodynamic efficiency. Oh my god, it's terrifying when you're riding a road bike with narrow handlebars. And these sunglasses are doing a fantastic job of keeping the sun out of my eyes. And I'm just rolling at the moment. I haven't had the throttle on for a few seconds. This thing needs a wide pair of handlebars. I'm not used to road bikes. Right, it's going uphill now. Rolling down to 20 miles an hour. Gonna pedal now, and this thing absolutely flies. Wow. Well, coming off the power. This is such a bumpy road. Absolutely insane, this thing. And for those of you that don't know as well, I do e-bike giveaways. I've given away almost 20 e-bikes now. I've currently got 2 of the best e-bike builds on the planet. And that's not ego, that is facts. I have got some of the best CYC builds you can find on giveaway for just £2. So check out the link in the video description on raffle.com/dudestuff. And hopefully I'll be meeting one of the lucky subscribers soon with a brand new premium spec DIY build. Now this is a Canyon Road is the model. It's a very expensive bike to begin with. It's got a brand new CYC 52 volt battery one of the most premium batteries on the market you can buy. 2 kilowatt Andy Kirby 700C rear wheel. The new Kirby bike smart controller. I've always fancied putting a pair of, well, not putting a pair of 700C wheels. I've always fancied putting an e-bike kit on a bike with 700C wheels. They're so fast, they're almost like e-bikes anyway. Cyclists are often doing 30 to 40 miles an hour just pedaling because these bikes are so quick with the tyres they've got and the gear set, and they're light. I wouldn't be surprised if this bike was around 9 kilograms before I started, or something around that. It literally weighs nothing. I think it's got carbon fibre forks, but now it's just absolutely mental. My God. It's so quick. Tuck it in. Oh dear, coming off the power. Nowhere near flat out. It's doing 15 then, but it probably looked about 40 odd. But I promise you it was 15. So I put this build together, and I really wanted it to kind of still be purposeful. So this was a full-on hybrid road bike with skinny road tyres, and I've decided to go up a little bit wider on the tyre and get some Schwalbe tan walls with a little bit of grip. So if you wanted to send this through the woods, send it down some, you know, across fields, gravel paths, that kind of thing, this will be good for that. And I think the tan wall really works well with the paint job on this. It's like a matte black finish with gloss black Canyon logos, and this thing will get you from A to B probably quicker than your car. Tucking in now, putting the power on. This thing is ludicrous, absolutely ludicrous, and my eyes would be streaming right now if it wasn't for the Outdoor Master sunglasses coming off the power. Fucking mental, this thing. So fast the G-forces are making the camera turn sideways. So if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. I like to build what other people don't. I still use high-end parts, but I've done some very unusual creations, dual motor e-bikes, triple motor e-bikes, electric bike boats. Oh, covered in water. Like you name it, electric tandem bikes. I think I've built almost everything at this point. Still got more ideas, and this is another one of those creations. I've always fancied putting a fast electric kit on a road bike, and it is an absolute rocket ship. So if you're not subscribed already and you like the kind of mad builds I do, hit that subscribe button. Also check out the raffles, and don't forget to check out CYC and Kirby Bike, whose parts I've used on this build. CYC make the most premium mid-drive kits and e-bike batteries on the planet, and this thing is adorned with one of their gorgeous 52 volt batteries. And yeah, hope you enjoyed watching this quick video today, guys. Let me know your thoughts on the stealth build, whether you think it's cool or you hate it. I know people are quite divided on that, and hopefully I look forward to seeing you guys in a video soon. Take it easy.